Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Pure Biology, and today I come with another video related to immunology, and that is adjuvants. Okay, and before going to this topic, I want to say that thank you to all of you who have already subscribed my channel, and I want to say the newcomers obviously who just come in my channel newly. I want to say some words to them that obviously share this channel with your friends if this is helpful to you. Okay, and I have already uploaded another videos related to immunology, so you can check out that one. So today's topic is the adjuvants. What is the adjuvant? Adjuvant actually is the substance when it is mixed with an antigen that serves to enhance the immunogenicity of that antigen. Okay. What is the function of this? This actually serves to enhance the immunogenicity of the antigen. If some substance, if we mix with this some substance with the antigen and this inject in the host body, in that situation this is occurring. Okay. So mechanism of action, two types is seen. One is by increasing the resistance of antigen in the immunized animal, and second is through the granuloma formation. Okay, first I want to say that this is actually done generally in vaccination. Okay, and this one is generally done in the allergic recognition. Okay, allergic, which human body, in case of human body, is allergic to different types of substances. So in laboratory we just find out the allergic recognition by doing this. Okay, this type of using adjuvants. Okay, so first one is the, if the alarm is one kind of adjuvant, it is mixed with the antigen, and what is the role of alarm? It just precipitates the antigen. Okay, and after precipitation, that alarm with the precipitates antigens must inject to the host body. Okay, and what is the function of alarm at that time? Now here, when generally what is happening after entering the antigen, it spreads in the body, okay, rapidly. So by doing this, we just slow down the rapidity of the antigen, and this is done from few days to several weeks with the adjuvants. Okay, by using the adjuvants, we can increase the exposure from few days to several weeks. Clear? This is the first one. That means here the slower release of antigen from the infection site. Slower release of antigen from the infection site. Second one is the granuloma formation. Here, when the after injecting this one into any body part, what will happen? The inflammation occurring. Okay, inflammation occurring, or the swelling is seen, and the swelling is nothing but the cell mass containing the macrophages. Okay, cell mass containing the macrophages. So its function is macrophages. You know that it helps the just antigen, not macrophages, this swelling. What is the actually the formation of the granuloma? The swelling is called the granuloma. Okay, and why this granuloma formation is needed? Because this helps. This means not macrophages. This means granuloma. Okay, granuloma. Granuloma actually helps antigen processing, presentation, and interleukin 1 production. And by this interleukin 1 production, it can damage the antigens by activation of the Th cell. Okay, because here and this is actually done here, because the two things are done. One is by increasing or by forming the swelling in the injecting part. So what or granuloma formation is needed here for first one, the antigen presentation and antigen processing, or recognition of antigen is also needed here. So antigen presentation and antigen processing, and obviously the cell mass containing the macrophages. And what is the role of the macrophages? The interleukin 1 production is possible due to the presence of macrophages. Okay, the swelling or the granuloma is nothing but the cell mass containing macrophages. And what is the role of the interleukin 1? That means it increase the activation of the T H cell. And what is the role of T H cell? You all know that the actually it damage the foreign particles. Okay, so here two works are done. One is antigen present by the formation of the granuloma, antigen presentation, antigen processing, and obviously damaging of the foreign particle. Okay, by the formation of the interleukin 1 production. Okay, and here the two type of adjuvants are there. One is the Freon's incomplete adjuvant, another is the Freon's complete adjuvant. That is, the Freon incomplete adjuvant is, it contains generally in aqueous solution. Here the mineral oil is needed and emulsifying agent is also needed. What is the emulsifying agent? One example, that is the mannate monoleate. Okay, mannate monoleate is one kind of emulsifying agent, and here this agent actually disappears. Okay, sorry, not disappears, disperses. Okay, spreads the oil into small droplets and surrounding the antigen, and antigen then release slowly. Okay, clear? What is saying here? That the first, what are the mixture in there? Aqueous solution, mineral oil, and emulsifying agent. Clear? And what is, which one emulsifying agent is needed? Mannate monoleate. And this agent actually disperses to form the droplets, and it just remains surrounding the antigen. Okay, and that's why antigen release slowly, because antigen is totally surrounded by the agent, this agent. Okay, emulsifying agent. So it cannot release rapidly. Okay, so it takes some time for releasing. And second one is the Freon's complete adjuvant, A for adjuvant. It contains heat-killed mycobacteria. It contains heat-killed mycobacteria in water, in oil emulsion. That means water and oil emulsion is needed here. And what type of mycobacteria? Muramyl dipeptide. Okay, muramyl dipeptide of mycobacterial cell wall activate macrophages to increase the interleukin 1 production, and that increase the TH cell activation. Okay, so here this muramyl dipeptide is one kind of substance, and that remain in the mycobacterial cell wall, and that is needed here. Okay, this thing is needed here. Why? Because for this thing we need this mycobacteria. For this substance we need mycobacteria, because it remains only the mycobacterial cell wall. So we need the cell wall containing this substance, and actual role is seen in this process. This is the for this substance. Okay, so mycobacteria is taken, obviously heat-killed mycobacteria is taken, or it is taken after heat killing. So it is, the main role is of this muramyl dipeptide is what? This actually activate the macrophages to increase the interleukin 1 production, and you all know by the interleukin 1 production, easily activation of the TH cell is increased. Okay, so this is the topic adjuvants related to immunology.